Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 5 Minute Learn English. It's me Arbita and I'm instructor Arbita. I hope you all are doing well. Yeah, alhamdulillah, fine. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and always like and share my videos. And follow me on my Facebook page, 5 Minute Learn English with Arbita. And today we're gonna learn how to make a positive sentence, negative sentence, and questions with can. And today I have one of my students. So hi.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so tell something about yourself to get to know you.
My name is Qazi Sahat Hussain and I am 13 years old. I study in class 7.
So alright, so are you ready for this class?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, so let's go on to videos. That how to make a positive sentence with can. So at first we should to learn that what is the meaning of can. So what is the meaning of can?
Can ortho para ba pari.
Yes, so what is the structure which is positive sentence with can? So the structure is subject plus can plus V1 plus object. So what is the structure?
Subject plus can plus V1 plus object.
Yes, so let's try a sentence which is আমি ইংলিশে কথা বলা শেখাতে পারি. So subject এখানে আছে I কারণ আমি বলছি আমি ইংলিশে কথা বলা শেখাতে পারি. I can teach spoken English. I can teach spoken English. So এখানে V1 কোনটা? Teach. Yes, teach. So are you understand the thing?
Yes.
So let's try some examples, okay? So আমি ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারি.
I can speak in English.
তুমি ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারো.
You can speak in English.
আমরা ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারি.
We can speak in English.
তারা ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারে.
They can speak in English.
মিনা ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারে.
Meena can speak in English.
সৌরভ ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারে.
Saurabh can speak in English.
সোয়েব ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারে.
Soeb can speak in English.
Alright. Now we're gonna learn that how to make a negative sentence with can. So what is the structure which is negative sentence? Which is subject plus cannot অথবা can't. What is the pronouns?
Can't.
Yes, can't. Subject plus cannot or can't plus V1 plus object. Okay, so let's try example. মিনা ফুটবল খেলতে পারে না. মিনা ফুটবল খেলতে পারে না. So মিনা, you should to try.
I can't play football.
Yes, so এখানে সাবজেক্টটা হচ্ছে মিনা, can not অথবা হচ্ছে can't, and the V1 is play and object is football. So I understand the thing.
Yes.
So let's try some examples. আমরা বাস্কেটবল খেলতে পারি না.
We can't play basketball.
তারা ভলিবল খেলতে পারে না.
They can't play volleyball.
মিনা ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারে না.
Meena can't speak in English.
আমি ফুটবল খেলতে পারি না.
I can't play football.
তুমি ফুটবল খেলতে পারো না.
You can't play football.
So I understand the thing.
Yes, I did.
And so what did we learn today?
Today we are learning how to make positive and negative sentences with can.
Yes, and in this video we're gonna learn that how to make a questions with can. And this video is upcoming. And lastly, I'll say that if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and always like and share my videos. And follow me on my Facebook page, 5 Minute Learn English with Arbita. So bye bye, assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Mubarak.